Let's assume you want to implement a progress bar that comes with a free gift, similar to the one shown here. Once the free gift is unlocked, a claim button appears in a separate widget and the progress bar fills up. Let's walk through how to set this up. In the test store, open the Kite app. Navigate to the Create Promotion tab. For the first progress bar, simply click on Free Gift, then on Goal-Based Free Gift. Now, depending on your needs, you can select either a single goal or multi-goal. For this demonstration, we will select single goal and name this GPBP Widget Only. Choose the progress type, which could be cart subtotal, cart quantity, or based on a specific collection or products. For this demonstration, we'll select cart subtotal. Make sure to select After Discount for the Consider subtitle. For the free gift, select the product you wish to offer. In this case, we'll choose a sample product, specifically the complete snowboard. Since we're only running this as a widget, scroll down to Advanced Settings. Here, enable the feature Use this only as a widget and disable Automatically Add Free Gift. This ensures that the progress bar functions solely as a widget without automatically adding the product. Save these settings. Next, we'll set up the second campaign for the free gift. Go to Free Gift. If you want a manual free gift, select Multi-Selection. If you prefer the gift to be auto-added, select Auto Add. All right, let's proceed with the manual selection. This is because we want the progress bar to be displayed and the customer needs to add the product manually, which is our use case here. Allow me to demonstrate. We'll name this as FGWP and opt for a single rule. Although you can have multiple free gifts if it's a tier-based free gift, we're going to stick with a single free gift rule in this case. Our spendex amount is set at 100 and we're going to search for the complete snowboard. You have the option to select the manual method and choose the best option for you, whether it's one gift or multiple gifts. In our case, it's only a single rule, so it doesn't really make a difference. You can check all your other settings and ensure everything is correct. You can also decide where you want this to be displayed and then save your settings. Make sure your theme app extension is enabled on the theme where you want it to be active. Now, with our storefront open, let's refresh the page and see if it appears. As you can see, the progress bar and the widget are displayed. Let's also check how it appears on the side cart. When we add this product to the cart, the progress bar and the free gift widget are displayed. If you want the free gift widget to be placed right below the progress bar, even on the side cart, you can adjust the positioning to ensure it appears below the progress bar on the side cart. We have various documentations for this, or you can reach out to our team for assistance. Once you've done this, you'll be able to see the widget right below the progress bar, even on the side cart. Please reach out if you have any questions. Thank you.